Ambush in Spanish Town leave 2 police officers dead and 2 hospitalized.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
2 police officers, believed to be a detective corporal and a constable, were fatally shot, while a superintendent and another constable have been admitted to hospital nursing gunshot wounds, with at least one believed to be in serious life-threatening condition, following an early morning attack by criminals in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, on Friday morning. It is being alleged that the superintendent, Clunis, had to undergo emergency surgery after he was shot 8 times. Reports are that a team from the St. Catherine North Police Division were conducting an operation in the Horizon Park area of Spanish Town about 5 a.m. when they came under heavy gunfire after being ambushed by thugs with high-powered rifles. Further reports are that 4 of the policemen were shot and injured in the shooting. They were rushed to a medical facility where 2 of the policemen were pronounced dead. Another police unit that was responding to a call for assistance from the officers who were under attack also experienced misfortune when the unit in which they were traveling crashed along Old Harbour Road.
Yo, away dog I go. Away dog I go. This had just gone, dog. That was a man in way dog I go. The dog lets all the seed fall up on the back.
At the time of this publication, there was no information on the condition of the officers who were in the overturned unit. The police have since recovered one of the rifles believed to have been used in the brazen attack. The JSAF in a tweet said, "The police are confirming that 4 of our members were ambushed and shot last night while on duty. 2 have since succumbed. A superintendent and another member are currently in surgery." Meanwhile, a strong contingent of police and soldiers have been deployed to the area in the wake of the incident.
Hey boy, I'm back there, fuck anybody.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.